Always smile. Life is already very hard. Life is tiring. Life is exhausting. Amen? Tapos sisimangot ka pa. Remember, what you do with your face, with your body, affects your mood. Why should you smile? Remember, your smile is your quickest prayer of gratitude to God. For the right price, we can exchange our principles, we can sell our souls. Magkano ka? Pero tandaan niyo po, hindi nasusukat ang saya ng buhay, ang kapayapaan ng iyong buhay, dahil lang marami kang pera. Hindi makukuha ang kapayapaan, ang tunay na tuwa sa pera. Huwag niyo pong kaiinggitan yung mga nakikita niyo sa internet. Palabas lang lahat yan. As a priest, I hear a lot of confessions. I hear a lot of problems on my counseling.